What kind of car does Abby drive?
A Mustang.
You did good. When's your brother's birthday?
July 10th.
Oh, there you go. Alright, relax. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, bud. You can come on up.
Thank you, sir.
Alrighty.